finally I'm here. I just wanted to announce the giveaway from 2 weeks ago, and also I'm going to show you the next giveaway and a little a big announcement for me, well, for us if you're interested. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly show you the giveaway. Okay. I'm announcing it a couple days after, but I stopped it at whatever day was supposed to be stopped and picked a winner through the random YouTube picker. And okay, so this bag from Gracie Creative was part of the giveaway, and it has the little handles. It's so cute. I love it. I love her bags. Okay, and this she gave for the giveaway. Thank you very much. So here we go. So I don't know if you can see down this far. I have the phone flipped the other way, so I don't know what you're seeing. So I wanted to use the better camera because last time it was blurry. So I'm just going to dig in and show you what's in the bag for the giveaway. Joanne, someone from my crochet group here in Ontario, gave these 4 amigurumi cakes or pucks or whatever you call them. And they're cute, cute, cute. Sorry, I've been taking this in and out of the bag. They've just come undone a little bit, but they're beautiful. Thank you, Joanne. So we have that. I'm just gonna pop this down here. And the lady that made these bags, just wanted to show you too, inside the lining. Look how pretty. And then her logo is right there. Gracie Creative. She put a little card inside that she wants the winner to have. Okay, so that's in there. She also made this little pouch for any other goodies, hooks, any other things you may want to use. It's so cute, and the lining is so pretty. It's really, really nice. So that goes in there. There's a couple of things I'm not going to take out because they're little extra surprises. And one of the main things is this beautiful furls hook. It's gorgeous. Hopefully you're seeing it all. And I believe it's jeepers, I can't remember now. My glasses, I can't, there's not enough light to see it, but I think it's a 6 or 6.5 millimeter, but it's beautiful. So nice. So that'll be yours to the winner. Then we have, oh, no, can't show that. Okay, and finally that I can show is my little pin. I've sent this to a few podcasters that I really enjoy and have been inspired from. I can't open it. Oh, here we go. It's so darling. It's cute, cute. See? It's a little sheep with a whole whack of yarn balls. So cute. Usually I always have mine on. I don't have it on today. But anyways, that'll be going to, and I can't show you what else. There's a few little extra bits in here that is just a surprise. Okay, so I'm going to insert the winner right here. So congratulations to Have a Yarn with Charlie. I'm so happy that you entered, and congratulations. So that's yours. If you'll just send me your address, whoops, send me your name, address, and your mailing address, and I'll get that off to you right away. So before I show you the next giveaway, I just want to announce that I'm going to give you her channel name. Nonna, she goes by Nonna on her channel. Her channel is Nonna's Stitching Lounge with Rosie M. And she's from Ontario, Toronto, Ontario. And what she's done is she's trying to get a bunch together for a meet and greet. And it's going to be April 18th, whatever weekend that is. So you got a lot of time, and if I'll put the link to her channel below, and she's got all the information. It's going to be in Niagara Falls, so it's right close to the border of the U.S. So whoever's in the upper northeast of the U.S., it'll be a close commute for you guys. And she names a few hotels, or a hotel that she's staying at that I guess there's good rates at. And anyways, I'm gonna really try and go. I penciled it into on my planner, and I really hope I can go. I know Lisa from Lisa's Crochet is gonna try and go. And speaking of Lisa from Lisa's Crochet, I don't know if anybody watched her last video, but it's hilarious. It's hilarious. I was a little bit shocked, but she puts a warning. She puts a little warning at the beginning of her video that, you know, it may not be for everybody. But anyways, Lisa's Crochet, that was funny. So hi, Lisa. There's a little plug for you. Maybe somebody will go watch. Somebody else will go watch. Anyways, yeah, so if anybody's interested in that meet and greet, you got a long time to plan. Hopefully Debbie, the Canadian crocheter, hopefully, did I say that right? Crocheter? Crocheter? Oh boy. Okay, anyways, Debbie, hopefully she can get there. And there's a bunch of other ones from the area that probably will get to go. So hopefully you guys, whoever's kind of not too far away from there, can come up in April. We're just bunkering down for the winter now. It's getting a little bit cold out, and I'm going to be traveling south twice this winter to get away from the cold. I had a bit of that sad bug last year, a seasonal affective disorder. So since I'm semi-retired, I do have a little bit of extra time. So this time I decided I'm going to get away twice through the colder months, and, you know, maybe that'll help a little bit. Probably January and March to kind of break it up in between. Anyways, the meet and greet is in April and mid-April, which is great because the snow is pretty much gone here. It's getting milder. We're not driving in the snow. I think it's just after Easter holidays, so that's good. And hopefully a lot of yous will get to go. It'll be fun. So anyways, without any further ado, the next giveaway is going to be, oh just a minute. Oh, box came open. It's because I was going into it. Come on, close. Okay. The next giveaway is going to be this light box. So I'm not starting the giveaway yet, but when I do, it'll be in the next couple days, and this is going to be what the giveaway is. So if you're looking, and it's a really nice size. It's really pretty. Anyways, so this is what's going to be the next giveaway, so stay tuned. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Think about subscribing, and we'll see you really soon. Bye.